Today I am eating and exercising like Jennifer Lopez. Okay guys, so I am bringing back the celebrity what I eat in a days in 2023 and I'm super excited about it. I've done several of these. I think I've done Ashley Graham, Martha Stewart, and Gwyneth Paltrow, so I'll link those videos down below. But I thought it would be fun to do Jennifer Lopez because there's a lot of information out there actually on what she eats every day and the workouts that she does. Personally, I'm on a journey right now to lose 75 pounds, and so her healthy diet and exercise really fits in with what I'm trying to do as well. Now, Jennifer Lopez and I really have not much in common except that we share the same name. So petition to change my name to J.Che to match J.Lo. I'm kidding. But Jennifer Lopez starts her day with water. She does not drink caffeine. She does not drink coffee. She said she has not had any caffeine in years, which is just ludicrous to me. But as per her diet today, I have actually already drank one of these Stanley mugs of water already. So I am well on my day to drinking enough water. When I was doing research for this video, I also found that Jennifer Lopez actually has her own skincare line, which I think I knew, but I kind of forgot about. Anyway, I ordered it from Amazon because I wanted to have like the full J.Lo experience for today. So actually started last night with washing my face with the cleanser. You guys know that I'm like pretty picky about my skincare products, and I'm not gonna tell you I like something unless I actually like it. And I really do like these skincare products. So I used the cleanser last night in the shower. I would definitely buy it again. And then I also used the moisturizer last night, which I really loved. I found that it was very thick and hydrating after I take a hot shower. That's exactly what I need. I also have the serum, which I used, and I liked that a lot. And then this morning I actually used kind of like the skin tint. I forget exactly what it's called, but I will link all of this stuff down below. I just ordered it on Amazon. And I love the skin tint because I don't like to wear a heavy foundation, and this is really in line with what I wear most of the time anyway. I got the rose gold, and it's sort of like a skin tint with like a shimmer in it. So I don't know, I really love it. I actually love all of the stuff, and I would definitely purchase it again. But like I said, full J.Lo experience today. Let's start with breakfast. So J.Lo usually has a smoothie for breakfast. Now, I am normally not a smoothie for breakfast type of person because I prefer to chew my food, but it's been a while since I've had a fruit/protein smoothie, so here we go, let's do it. Here are the ingredients that she puts in her smoothie. I'm not gonna follow any recipe, I'm just gonna kind of guess on the amounts. So I have some Greek yogurt. This is the Fage 0%. She said she puts berries in there, so we're gonna use some strawberries and blueberries. She also uses protein powder. Now, also in my research, I found that at one point she had her own brand of protein powder, but apparently it's not made anymore because I couldn't find it anywhere online. So I just have this vanilla protein powder that I picked up at the grocery store. She also uses cinnamon, lemon juice, and honey. And then I'm thinking that this smoothie is gonna need a little bit of liquid, so I'm just gonna use some of this fat-free Fairlife milk. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. This actually made almost 3 cups of smoothie, so it's a pretty good portion. That's pretty good. I'm not like a huge fan of protein powders normally, but this is a really good way to get in some good protein, and the flavor is good. I really like the combination of the lemon juice and the honey and the cinnamon. That's like really unique. That's good. I would definitely make this again. Okay, so I always get a lot of questions on what app I use to track my calories and my macros and everything. I just use MyFitnessPal. It is super easy to use. They have both a free version and a paid version. So I put all of the ingredients into there because I wanted to tell you guys the calories and the protein and everything on this. So total for the volume of this smoothie, which is huge, it's 293 calories and 40.8 grams of protein, which is a huge amount of protein for that little calories. So I don't know, maybe this is going to be a new thing for me. I'm always trying to get in more protein, and I really like that vanilla protein powder. So I'm gonna have this for breakfast, and I will see you later for a snack. J.Lo says that for a morning snack, she either has some kind of a bar or some fruit. I'm not super hungry, so I'm just gonna eat this Verb snack bar. This is the s'mores flavor. I can link their site down below. I really like these. They are just small enough, like if you want something small and sweet, and they do have a little bit of caffeine in them. So I guess technically Jennifer Lopez would not be eating this because she doesn't eat caffeine, but this is what I'm gonna have this morning. They're pretty low in calories, and like I said, this flavor is really good. It's lunchtime, and I found a few different things that J.Lo likes to have for lunch, so we're gonna kind of do a mishmash of those. She said she likes to have a kale salad with a vinaigrette and lots of veggies, but she also likes to have like salmon with broccoli and peppers and zucchini. So we're kind of gonna combine those because I do want to add some protein to this meal. So I've got some kale that I washed up right here. I've got some broccoli florets. This is just salmon that I cooked the other night in the air fryer and that's left over. So I'm going to add one of those pieces to my salad. I've got some toasted pepitas or pumpkin seeds, a red pepper, some shredded carrots. And then for the vinaigrette, she says she uses minced shallot with lemon and olive oil. I'm going to use a little bit of Dijon mustard to emulsify it. I've got salt and pepper. And then she says she likes to use crumbled queso on her salads, but I'm not a huge fan of that, so I'm going to use feta instead. So in this jar, I've got 1 teaspoon of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, a teaspoon of Dijon, some minced shallot, salt and pepper, and I added just a little squirt of honey as well. I'm going to give this a shake, and I really wanted to make just 1 serving so I could control the amount of ingredients. So like, for example, the olive oil can really add up in terms of calories. So I just wanted to use a teaspoon of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop my kale up and get it into the bowl with this vinaigrette so it can start softening up a little bit. So here's our salad. Yeah, Milo wants my salad. It looks pretty good. I put all the ingredients into my Fitness Pal. It came out to 536 calories and 42.6 grams of protein. So that was pretty good. There's a lot of protein actually. Pumpkin seeds. So we've got our kale, veggies, pumpkin seeds, crumbled feta, and then about 4 ounces of salmon. So the flavor is really good. There's a lot of raw kale and veggies in this, so this is going to be like a lot of chewing. So I feel like most of the calories in the salad are probably going to be burned off by me chewing it. So that's lunch. I'm going to go ahead and eat this and get back to work. I finished my lunch a while ago, but I have to give you an update on that salad. Like, the more I ate it, the more I'm like, oh my gosh, this combination is so good. I would totally make it again. I feel like the vinaigrette just sort of like made the whole thing. And I love salmon, and I love like really anything with feta cheese in it. So I really do recommend that combination. Like I said, I would totally make it again. That was a total win. Yay. Okay, so for snacks, J.Lo says that she sticks to protein and veggies like chicken or eggs. So what I did was I made a quick egg salad. I had some hard-boiled eggs in the fridge. So I just diced those up with my egg slicer, and then I added 1 tablespoon of mayo, some relish, salt, pepper, and some dried chives. And I put them on this Wasa crisp bread. This is the light rye, and I really like it. You get 2 sheets of these crackers for only 40 calories. Like, what? So I've got that, and then the egg salad on top of that, and I just topped it with a little bit of greens. Overall, this has 14.6 grams of protein and only about 273 calories. So there are actually quite a bit of resources and information out there on what Jennifer Lopez does for her workouts. I would say her fitness level is more advanced, whereas mine is more beginner. So what I decided to do is come to the gym today. So let me show you what I did. It says that she works out for about an hour each day. So I decided to spend an hour at the gym today. I started out with, I think it was 20 or 25 minutes on the treadmill, just walking at like 3.5 miles per hour. I like to do that before I lift weights just to kind of warm up a little bit. And then I did do some strength training. I am not advanced enough to do all of the moves that she does, so I kind of just did my own workout with some of the weight machines. I had to start out with the hip abduction machine because of course we have to get a booty like J.Lo, so I assumed that that would help me. Next, I did some pectoral flies, and then I also did some leg curls. After that, I got back on the treadmill and did another 25 minutes at a little bit of an incline, but this time at a slower pace, around 2.5 miles per hour. Overall, I worked out for about an hour. I was happy with what I did. I feel good. I'm trying to determine like what is the best time of day for me to work out. I sort of think it's in the morning, but I really need to like train myself to start getting up earlier. I actually read that J.Lo likes to work out in the morning as well. I feel like it's probably a lot easier if that's your job to stay like fit and toned, then you can kind of dedicate more time to that. But I don't know. I'm trying to figure out if I can get my butt out of bed. Getting out of bed is not necessarily the problem. Leaving my house when it's like 10 degrees outside is something I am not super enthused with, but I do like coming to the gym. Obviously I have workout equipment at home too. I have free weights, I have a spin bike, and I have a treadmill now, so I can do workouts at home as well. The treadmill that I have at home is not quite as robust as the gym treadmills are, and so I kind of like using the gym ones a little bit more. So I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully I can get into a routine where I can do it the same time every day. I don't mind doing it after work either, although I prefer to work out before I eat dinner. Like I don't prefer to eat dinner and then work out because I just feel like I'm full and I feel like I don't have as much energy. So now we're gonna go home and we're gonna make some dinner. Here's my dinner for this evening. Let me tell you how I made it. J.Lo says that she eats a lean protein, so either pork or chicken, veggies, and then a carb, so brown rice, sweet potato, or quinoa. So how I made this bowl is I took 2 of the Gilbert's chicken sausages because that's what I had in my fridge. I sliced them up, I crisped them up in a pan with a little bit of cooking spray. Then I roasted some sweet potato cubes in the air fryer, so I just sprayed them with cooking spray, seasoned them with garlic powder, salt, and pepper, roasted them at 350 for about 12 minutes, and then I steamed up some broccoli, and then I also had some green goddess dressing that I made the other day because I felt like this needed like a sauce. So it's actually pretty good. 481 calories, 35.8 grams of protein, so I feel like that's pretty good. Also, I used this spray butter on the broccoli, which I highly doubt Jennifer Lopez uses this. I mean, maybe she does. I used this in one of my other videos and I said it's fine. It's like melted plastic, and you guys thought that was super funny. But really, if you use this on your veggies, it's a great substitute for like full fat butter if you want to save some calories. I just got out of the shower, and my last thing that I'm gonna eat for today is a chocolate chip ice cream sandwich. And this is because Jennifer Lopez says that she doesn't deny herself treats every once in a while, and her favorite treats are chocolate chip cookies and chocolate chip ice cream. And so I figured, what better than a chocolate chip ice cream sandwich? So I just picked these up from the grocery store. They're the Toll House brand. They're actually only 210 calories per sandwich, so I feel like it's actually like a nice little treat that fits great into your daily calories. Okay, so overall, how do I feel about today? I actually feel really good about today. I feel like I ate some really good, like healthy, filling food. I would say my favorite meal was probably lunch. That salad was delicious, and I would definitely make it again. And I actually really liked the smoothie too. So it's kind of nice sometimes to try some different things that other people eat that you wouldn't normally choose, because I feel like it switches it up quite a bit, and that's nice. And I'm actually really proud of myself for going to the gym for a whole hour. Like, when's the last time I worked out for a whole hour? I mean, I've done like 45-minute workouts here at home, but I don't know, I just felt really proud doing that, and it makes me obviously feel really good and strong, and I know that's gonna help me you know, ultimately reach my health and weight loss goals. So yeah, let me show you guys, or tell you guys, where I ended up for today. So overall, my intake was 1,884 calories, which is actually below my calorie goal. I still have 206 calories to spare, and I'm not gonna eat anything else today. It's pretty late, I'm gonna go to bed. So I thought that was awesome. This is actually my 5th glass of water. So I did a really good job chugging all of my water today, which obviously makes me feel really good as well. In terms of nutrition, I was able to get 138 grams of protein, which is really good. I try to get at least 130 grams every day. The nutritionist that I had a consult with originally recommended like 190 grams of protein. That's really hard for me to get even on the best of days. So I've been trying to get around 130 if I can. And everything else looked good too. I actually had 27 grams of fiber, which is awesome for me. I'm sure that kale helped a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my ice cream sandwich and go to bed, but I wanted to thank you guys for following along with me today. If you're interested in some other celebrity what I eat in the days, I will have 2 videos right here on the end screen for you. Thanks again for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Have the most amazing day. Remember, I am magnificent and my life is full of joy.